make an online appointment, this is really easy. First off, just go to our site, chwc.com.au. Once you're here, select the Book Now button. This is going to bring you to a screen where you can select whether you're a new client or an existing client. We're going to assume that you're an existing client for today. Select the appropriate practice. Now, if you've logged in before, it's going to ask you for your mobile number. If you've logged in before, it will send you a text to validate that and giving you a password. If you've got the password, enter it. If you've forgotten the password, simply hit reset password. Now, it's going to tell me a list of the appointments that I've got just here. Now, I don't have any future appointments, so I'm going to go across to new appointment. Here, I can select who I'd like to see: chiropractor, massage therapist, etc. Now, this gives me the option of either booking the appointment for myself or booking it for somebody else. So for example, I want to book for my wife or one of my children, I can use this button just here. In this case, I'm just booking a regular adjustment for myself. Now it gives me the chance to select the times that are available. I can change when it's looking from to give me different days. Once I'm happy with the time, I'll just select the time and hit next. And the booking is complete. So I've got the location details, the booking details just here. Hit next, and that's done. And what will happen is it will list all my appointments here. So I can go through and book multiple appointments and they'll all list through here, so I can manage my appointments that way. I'll also get a reminder 24 hours in advance reminding me of that appointment. Thank you.